Students, good morning. Today in this video I am going to do a magic. Do you know what is the magic show? Have you been to a magic show? Yes, you might have been. So today I am going to do a magic. Not me, the poet is going to do some magic in the poem. What is the magic? So he is going to disappear sun, moon and stars. Okay? Everybody knows sun, moon and stars. They live high above in the sky. So do you see the sun, moon and stars every day and night? Yes, everybody has seen the sun, moon and stars. So what is the magic in this poem? So before getting into this, let me introduce to the title of the poem. What is it? No sun, no moon. Okay, what is this no sun, no moon? Every day sun rises and every night the moon also appears and stars appear in the sky. What is the title? No sun, no moon. Okay, why is the title so? Because the poet is making the sun, moon and stars disappear. Okay, disappear means vanish. Okay. In Telugu, mayam cheyadam. Okay. So the poet is going to disappear sun, moon and stars as well as the sky. How is it possible? Can you do the magic? Can you do something by magic and make this sun, moon and stars and sky disappear? No, we can't do this. So we can't imagine a day without sun and a night without moon and stars. Okay, we cannot imagine our life without sky even. Yes? Can you vanish the sky, sun, moon and stars? No, we cannot. But why is this poet saying no sun, no moon? Let us learn through this poem and let us see what's the magic he is doing. No sun, no moon, no stars, no sky. Do you know why? I made them disappear. So the poet is saying no sun, no moon, no stars, no sky as well. Why so? Because he is saying that he made them disappear. How is that possible? How did he do that? I didn't use a magic word. I had no special gear. So what is he saying? He did not use magic, it seems. He is saying I have not done any magic. I have not used any magic trick here. I haven't used a magic wand. Do you know what is a magic wand? This is called as magic wand. Okay, this is a thin stick. This is a thin stick and it is having a small star on the top. You can see this in the hand of an angel. Okay, angels do the magic, no? They'll use a stick, that is, they'll just rotate this like this and they'll just show the magic. Okay, this is called as magic wand. Okay, the poet is saying I didn't use any magic wand. He's saying I have not done any magic. Then I had no special gear. What is special gear? Do you know a gear in the vehicle? It is used to for the movement of the vehicle forward and backward. He is not having any special gear so that he can vanish the stars, moon and sky. I did not cast an evil spell. I did not use first aid. Then he is saying, then how did he vanish this sun, moon, stars and sky? Yes, what do you think? So, he did not use any magical words and while doing first aid, what do? If there is a wound in your finger here, you will wrap a bandage here. Yes, isn't it? But can you bandage the sun, moon and stars like this? No, we can't do this. Will you go up high above in the sky and cover it with some band-aid and all? No, we can't do this. The poet is saying, I have not used any magic trick. I did not use any magic wand. I did not use any magical words also. I haven't used any band-aid to cover sun, moon and stars. I did not do any tribal dance. Do you know tribal dance? The tribal people, they live in the forests and their dressing is very different, their language is different, and their dance is very have you seen in the movies or any National Geographical channels? Can see this tribal people or tribal dance. Their language is totally different and their dances, they are completely different. Okay, he did not do any tribal dance. Then how did he vanish this? Then how did he vanish? He went to the window and he just pulled down the curtain. He closed the window and pulled down the curtain. When the window is closed and you pull down the curtain, can you see sun, moon, stars? No, this is what he has done. He didn't know. How did he vanish? How did he make these things disappear? He just closed the window and pulled down the curtain. So this was the magic he has done. I hope you have enjoyed this poem, students. Now you can show this magic trick. Now you can show this magic trick to your parents, your sisters, your grandparents as well. What you have to do, you have to take them to the window. You ask them that you say them that you are going to do the magic. And what is the magic? You say them that I am going to make this sun, moon and stars disappear. First you need to show them, you ask them to look out of the window and show the sun and sky. Okay, then tell them that I am going to vanish this. Then what will you do? What is the magic? Tell them to close their eyes. Then when they are closing the eyes, what you have to do? You have to close the window and pull down the curtain. Then you have to show that this is the magic. I have vanished the sun and the sky. And the same magic you can show them in the night time also. Okay, you can vanish the moon and stars in the night time. So this is the magic trick you have to show at your home. I hope you have enjoyed the poem, students. And now try this magic trick at your home. Thank you.